Hello, dear friends. I am your Chandramani, and you are watching Nanda Nursing Life. Friends, OSSC जो वैकेंसी किसी बाहर करथिला 2019 रे तार एग्जाम सेप्टेम्बर 20 2021 तारिख दिन हो जाइए। सो तार आंसर की आसी जाइए। सो आंसर की विषय में गोटे पूर्व वीडियो बनई से आंसर की केमती आप देखिपारे स्टेप बाय स्टेप करके गोटे वीडियो बनाई से वीडियो मध्य देखिपारे। सो यही जो सीबीटी एग्जाम होता सीबीटी एग्जाम रे दीटा पेपर होकि आसला दीटा पेपर 100 मार्क्स जोटा गोटे फर्स्ट पेपर थिला कंपोजिट पेपर से 100 मार्क्स एवं पेपर 2 रे थिला सब्जेक्ट रिलेटेड 100 मार्क्स थिला। सो कंपोजिट पेपर फ्रेंड्स इंग्लिश ओडिया ग्रामर एंड जनरल नॉलेज मिसिकी आसला से 100 मार्क्स। सो इंग्लिश थिला 20 मार्क्स आउ 20 मार्क्स थिला ओडिया ग्रामर देन जनरल नॉलेज थिला 60 मार्क्स देन ये थिला पेपर 1 पाई देन पेपर 2 पाई सब्जेक्ट रिलेटेड थिला प्लस कंप्यूटर बेस क्वेश्चन थिला कंप्यूटर रिलेटेड किछि क्वेश्चन थिला। सो सब्जेक्ट रिलेटेड एवं कंप्यूटर मिसिकी 100 मार्क्स रो एग्जाम थिला। सो आमे देखिबा फर्स्ट आज फर्स्ट वीडियो रे आमे देखिबा कंपोजिट पेपर जोटा पेपर 1 इंग्लिश अच्छी इंग्लिश ग्रामर अच्छी इंग्लिश रिलेटेड किछि क्वेश्चन अच्छी इंग्लिश बेस देन ओडिया को बेस करी किछि ग्रामर क्वेश्चन अच्छी देन जनरल नॉलेज 60 मार्क्स रो अच्छी। सो आमे चलंतु देखिबा कंपोजिट पेपर टा। सो फ्रेंड्स कंपोजिट पेपर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन थिला सिलेक्ट द करेक्ट सीक्वेंस ऑफ द जंबल सेंटेंस। सो करेक्ट सीक्वेंस जोड़ा अच्छी तार जंबल सेंटेंस देछि ए बी सी डी ई करके देछि ए सेंटेंस टा हमें करेक्ट ऑर्डर रे बनेबार थिला। सो यार राइट ऑप्शन हम फ्रेंड्स ए दैट इज सी बी डी ए ई। सो ए इज द राइट ऑप्शन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन सिलेक्ट द करेक्ट सीक्वेंस ऑफ द जंबल सेंटेंस। अगेन जंबल सेंटेंस करेक्ट ऑर्डर बनेबा पई देछि। सो ए बी सी डी ई करके देछि पांचटा सेंटेंस देछि ताकू ऑर्डर रे हमकू बनेबार अछि। सो यार ऑर्डर हबो बी ए ई डी सी। सो राइट ऑप्शन इज ए इज द राइट ऑप्शन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखिबा फ्रेंड्स नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन थिला चूज द मीनिंग ऑफ द इटैलिसाइज्ड idiom used in the given sentence. They practiced a lot on the nets, but the AC test will come when the coach will review them. So AC test italicized जो word अच्छी तरह meaning करना choose the meaning बोली देची। So right option is A, that is effective of something. The next question select the correct sequence of the jumble sentence. Again jumble sentence देचे फ्रेंड्स ताको हमें ऑर्डरली बनेबार थिला। सो ए बी सी डी ई करके देची पांचटा सेंटेंस को हमें ऑर्डरली बनेबार अछि। सो डी ए सी ई बी तारा राइट ऑर्डर हबो। सो सी इज द राइट ऑप्शन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन गोटे पैराग्राफ देची फ्रेंड्स। सो रीड द पैसेज केयरफुली एंड आंसर द क्वेश्चन गिवन बिलो इट। सो ये पैराग्राफ को पढ़िबार अछि एवं तार आंसर बनेबार अछि। सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन अछि अपार्ट फ्रॉम लेंडिंग आइडेंटिटी टू आवर करेंसी द सिंबल विल। सो राइट ऑप्शन इज accentuate the strength of our economy. So B is the right option. Then next question, what was the deputy governor RBI's role in this project? So right option is he headed the jury. So right option is B. Next question, till the new symbol rupee was represented as. So right option is abbreviation. B is the right option. Next question, July 15 2010 was special because. Right option is B, Indian rupee got a symbol. So Indian rupee got a symbol, that is July 15 2010 was special. That's why July 15, 2000 was special. Next question. When did the government announce a contest to create a symbol for the rupee? So right option is March 5th, 2009. D is the right option. Next question. Rearrange the following in order to form a logical sequence. So चार्टा ये देछि सेंटेंस देछि ऑर्डर देछि सो या को हमको सीक्वेंस रे बनेवार अछि लॉजिकल सीक्वेंस बनेवार अछि सो 2431 टू रे लॉजिक लोकल जंगल्स आर फॉर अछि बीइंग कट इन ऑर्डर सेकंड रे हबो देन 24 देन 3 टू गेट फायरवुड देन 1 फॉर कुकिंग पर्पसेस सो ये प्रकार हबो sequence. So A is the right option. Next question. Fill in the blanks with appropriate word. So dash, I know they were coming, I would have stay at home. So right option is B, that is had. Had I known they were coming, I would have stay at home. Next question देखिए friends. Next question अच्छी. In each of the question below each sentence followed by 4 idiomatic expression, you are required to choose that one could be used in the sentence. So Josh will feel better once he has thrown up the poison that he has ingested. So right option is A, that is get it out of the system. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन थिला सिलेक्ट द करेक्ट सीक्वेंस ऑफ द जम्बल सेंटेंस सो बहुत सारा जम्बल सेंटेंस देछि ताको हमको ऑर्डर रे करेक्ट सीक्वेंस सेंटेंस सीक्वेंस बनेवार अछि सो तार करेक्ट सीक्वेंस अब CADB सो राइट ऑप्शन इज बी नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन थिला चूज द मीनिंग ऑफ द italicized idiom used in the given sentence. The factory was running in loss, so the workers got the X. So got the X ra meaning कौन हवा इथी were fired. So C is the right option. The next question, change the following sentence to indirect speech. So sentence देछि ताको indirect speech रे बनेवार अछि direct speech देछि ताको indirect speech करवार अछि. Peter said to me, do you play cricket? So here a right option habo Peter asked me whether I played cricket. D is the right option. Next question, in each of the questions below each sentence followed by 4 idiomatic expression, you are required to choose the one that could be used in the sentence. So when Bill fell seriously ill after losing his job, it only made his situation worse. So right option is C, that is adding fuel to the fire. Next question देखिए, choose the meaning of the italicized idiom used in the given sentence. Rome won the war when the commander cut the ground from under the feet of the opponent's army. So italicized word meaning इथिरे कौन बोले पचारे so cut the ground from under the feet रो meaning कौन so यार meaning हबो weaken the position. So right option is B, that is weaken the position. Next question, please select the correct passive form for this sentence. The English expected to conquer Berlin. So right option is C, that is it was expected by the British that they would conquer Berlin. Next question, fill in the blank with appropriate word. Neither the children nor their mother dash admitted. So right option is was. D is the right option. Neither the children nor their mother was admitted. D is the correct option. Next question, change the following into direct speech. The teacher said that he was busy then. So direct speech यागो बनेले the teacher said I am busy now. So A is the right option. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ओडिया वाला क्वेश्चन देछि निम्नलिखित मध्यरु केउटी वज्र शब्दर पर्यायवाची शब्द सो राइट ऑप्शन हम कुलिस देन नेक्स्ट ओडिया ग्रामर क्वेश्चन निम्नलिखित मध्यरु केउटी सूर्य शब्दर पर्यायवाची शब्द सूर्यर पर्यायवाची शब्द हम आर्यमा। सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन निम्नलिखित मध्य क्यों जोड़ा समय पर्यायवाची शब्द नुहति। सो नभनेत्र हम राइट ऑप्शन बी इज द राइट ऑप्शन। देन निम्नलिखित मध्य क्योंटी प्रवृत्ति विपरीत। सो प्रवृत्तिर विपरीत शब्द हम निवृत्ति ए इज द राइट ऑप्शन। देन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन अनुच्छेद को ध्यान दे पढ़ंतु और निम्नलिखित प्रश्न गुड़िकर उत्तर दिंतु। सो सेंटेंस देइछि देन क्वेश्चन पचारि गुणीर विपरीत बोधक शब्दटी क्योंटी। गुणीर विपरीत शब्द हम निर्गुण। सो डी इज द राइट ऑप्शन। देन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन कीर्ति शब्दटीर सठिक बनान अटे कि क हलन प्लस क हलन युक्त ई युक्त र हलंत युक्त त हलंत प्लस युक्त त हलंत युक्त ई ए हम तार राइट ऑप्शन। सो कीर्तिर सठिक बनान हम क हलंत युक्त ई हर्षई हलंत हर्षई युक्त र हलंत युक्त त हलंत युक्त त हलंत युक्त ई। सो कीर्तिर सठिक बनान ए ऑप्शन राइट। देन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन बरपुत्र समस्त पदर समास कौन हेबो। सो राइट ऑप्शन हम कर्मधाराय। सो सी इज द राइट ऑप्शन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन उत्कल मातार मुख उज्ज्वल करथिले ए वाक्यर रेखांकित पदटीर सठिक संधि विच्छेद अटे। सो उज्ज्वलर सठिक संधि विच्छेद कौन हम। सो उत जग ज्वल हम उज्ज्वल। सो सी इज द राइट ऑप्शन। देन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पंडित गोदावरी आज गतायु अंडरलाइन कराई ए वाक्यर रेखांकित शब्दटीर समासटी को बाछ। सो गतायुर समास हम बहुब्रीहि। सो बी इज द राइट ऑप्शन। देन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन निम्नलिखित विकल्प मध्य क्योंटी मृगर पर्यायवाची शब्द नुहे। सो मृगर पर्यायवाची शब्द मृगांग हेनी। सो डी इज द राइट ऑप्शन। नेक्स्ट सीता और गीता कहीं क्या नाचरे कम नहंती। नाचरे अंडरलाइन कराई। सो वाक्य रेखांकित पदटी क्यों विभक्ति हेब। सो नाच रे को विभक्ति हेब। सो तीनिया विभक्ति हेब नाच रे। सो ए इज द राइट ऑप्शन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन निम्नलिखित मध्य क्योंटी एक भिन्न शब्द। सो अंबर हम भिन्न शब्द ए इज द राइट ऑप्शन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन निम्नलिखित मध्य क्योंटी कृपण शब्दर विपरीत शब्द अटे। सो कृपण शब्दर विपरीत अर्थ हम विपरीत शब्द हम बदान्य। सो डी इज द राइट ऑप्शन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन माटी कांथटी भुशुड़ी पड़ी। सो रेखांकित शब्दटी कि प्रकार विशेषण उल्लेख कर। सो माटी हम विशेष्य रूपी। सो सी इज द राइट ऑप्शन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन विद्याधान समस्त पदटी कि प्रकार कर्मधाराय अटे। सो विद्याधान हूँ रूपक प्रकार धर्म कर्मधाराय अटे। सो डी इज द राइट ऑप्शन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन सिंह धरिबी मु क्षीर खाइब तमे रेखांकित पदटी कि प्रकार क्रिया। सो सिंह धरिबी मु क्षीर खाइब तमे धरिबी शब्दटी समापिका प्रकार क्रिया। सो डी सी इज द राइट ऑप्शन। देन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन सविता गीत गाइबा को भल पाए रेखांकित क्रिया पदर संस्कृत धातु को चिन्हट कर। सो गाइबा को संस्कृत धातु हम गाइबा को संस्कृत धातु हम गो। सो ए इज द राइट ऑप्शन। सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन शिशुटी भोकरे कांदुची भोकरे ताको अंडरलाइन कराई रेखांकित पदटी क्यों विभक्ति चिन्ह। सो भोकरे को विभक्ति हम। सो ए इज द राइट ऑप्शन दैट इज हेतु अर्थरे तिनेया। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो पद माध्यम कौन से काम निर्दिष्ट अर्थ बुझा पड़े ताहाकू कौन कह जाए। सो राइट ऑप्शन हम क्रिया बी इज द राइट ऑप्शन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो पद कौन से निर्दिष्ट नाम को न बुझाए अनेकंकर साधारण नाम को बुझाए ताकू की विशेष कह जाए। सो राइट आंसर हम जातिवाचक बी इज द राइट ऑप्शन। नेक्स्ट So read the following statement and choose the correct answer. So dita sentence ଦେଇଛି Devamali Park with an elevation of about 1672 meters is the highest peak in Odisha and the tallest in the whole of the Eastern Ghats. Then second ଦେଇଛି Devamali Peak is situated near Dudhari village in Malkangiri district of Odisha. So first true ହେବ, second false ହେବ, so C is the right option. So next question, the International Bill of Human Rights consists of which of the following core human rights treaties of the United Nations listed below? So tinta ଦେଇଛି rights, so right option ହେବ A ହେବ right option. Next question, the chairperson and members of the commission are appointed by the president on the basis of recommendation of a committee comprising of which of the following members listed below? So right option ହେବ D, that is all, first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Next question, the ideals of liberty, equality and fraternity stated in the preamble of the Indian Constitution have been taken from the French Revolution. D is the right option. Next question, the slogan Karo Ya Maro was given by Gandhiji to the people of India during which of the following freedom movements? So B is the right option, that is Quit India movement. Next question, identify the river which is the largest river in peninsular India and known as the Dakshina Ganga. So right option is Godavari. C is the right option. In July 2021, ISRO successfully conducted third long duration hot test of the liquid propellant Vikas engine as part of the engine qualification requirement for which of its space program? So C is the right option, which is Gaganayan. So which next question, which among the following option is a well-known work of Baraham Mehra that describe topics like astrology, astronomy, etc.? So right option is Brihat Samhita. So B is the right option. Next question, the Attorney General for India is appointed by which of the following dignitaries holding constitutional designation? So right option is President of India, that is B is the right option. Next question, identify the correct sequence of the district of Odisha from north to south direction. So Sundargarh, Devgarh, Anugol, Ganjam. C is the right option. Next question, which of the following option define the first article of the Universal Declaration of the Human Rights, UDHR, in brief? So D is the right option, that is all human beings are born free and equal in dignity and rights. Next question is the regulatory body was established on 12th July 1982 by an act of the parliament and each mandate for providing a regulatory credit and other facilities for promotion and development of agriculture and other allied economic activities in rural area. Which of the following option is being referred to? So C is the right option, that is NABARD, NABARD. In which of the following state is the Sardar Sarovar project on the Narmada river located? So Gujarat ହେବ ତାର right option. C is the right option. As per the constitution, all authorities, civil and judicial, in the territory of the India shall act in aid of the Supreme Court. So right option is B, that is Supreme Court. Then GRIHA, that is Green Rating for Integrated Habitat Assessment, was adopted as the nation rating system for green building by the government of India in 2007. That is GRIHA was initially conceived and developed by TERI, New Delhi. So D is the right option. TERI, New Delhi ହେବ ତାର right option. Which among the following separates the Andaman and Nicobar Island in Bay of Bengal? So 10-degree channel ହେବ ତାର right option. D is the right option. Then the next question, the India House in London, which was among the most prominent center for revolutionary nationalism outside India, was established by? So श्यामजी कृष्णा वर्मा. So C is the right option. So friends, ये पर्यंत जदि वीडियो लाइक करना ताले लाइक कर दिंतु एवं शेयर कर दिंतु समस्त पाखे पहुँची पार जमी एवं चैनल जब सब्सक्राइब करना चैनल टाक सब्सक्राइब कर दिंतु एवं लाइक कर दिंतु. एमती नर्सिंग रिलेटेड अपडेट चैनल अपलोड हो आपण को मिल जाव. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखा. The present district of Gajapati came to existing as a separate functioning unit from 2nd October 1992. It has been named after Krishna Chandra Gajapati Narayana Dev. So C is the right option. Next question. As per the Article 368 and any amendment thereto of the Indian Constitution, which of the following bodies has the power to amend the Constitution? So right option is Parliament. A is the right option. Which among the following metals is the best conductor of heat? That is Cu, copper. So C is the right option. Next question. The type of inflation which takes place when supply falls drastically and the demand remains at the same level is known as bottleneck inflation. So B is the right option. The next question. It is a writ issue with a view to restrain a person from holding a public office to which he is not entitled. Which writ is this? So right option is B, that is Q warranto. Next question देखिए. Make the following common name of species in list 1 whether they are conservation status in list 2 as per WWF, the leading organization in wildlife conservation. So species common name अच्छी लिस्ट वन रे ब्लैक राइनो, स्नो लियोपार्ड, बेंगल टाइगर, प्लेन्स बियोशन, ट्री कंगारू. देन कंजर्वेशन स्टेटस लिस्ट 2 रे अच्छी वल्नरेबल, नियर थ्रेटेन्ड, क्रिटिकली एंडंजर्ड. देन लिस्ट कंसर्न. देन ई रे अच्छी एंडंजर्ड. सो राइट ऑप्शन हम बी. ए रो सी हेबो फर्स्ट, आई रो हम सी, ब्लैक राइनो रो हम क्रिटिकल एंडंजर्ड. देन स्नो लियोपार्ड रो हम फर्स्ट वल्नरेबल. देन थर्ड रो हम बेंगल टाइगर रो हम ई रे जोटा अच्छी एंडंजर्ड. देन फोर्थ जोटा अच्छे प्लेन्स बाइसन जोटा अच्छी बी हम नियर थ्रेटेन्ड. देन वी रे अच्छी ट्री कंगारू, दैट इज डी लिस्ट कंसर्न. सो बी इज द राइट ऑप्शन. Next question. Which of the following statement is incorrect with reference to the accomplishment of King Kharavela, the prominent ruler of Chedi dynasty? So right option above D, only fourth, that is in the 13th year of his reign, the king defeated Brihaspati Mitra, the ruler of Magadha. So which of the next question है, which of the following statement is true for producer price index PPI? So right option is it measure the price change from the perspective of the seller. D is the right option. Next question. In January 2020, which of the following global companies has announced an ambitious goal and new plan to become carbon negative by 2020? So right option is Microsoft. Next question. The temple of Lord Jagannath Puri was invaded and plundered for 18 times. The first invasion as per the record of the Madhavanji, the temple chronicle, was carried out by Raktabaho. So B is the right option. Next question. The Public Accounts Committee PAC is a committee of selected members of Parliament for the auditing of revenue and expenditure of the government of India. The chairman of this committee is D, that is the right option, a member from the opposition in Lok Sabha. Next question. In this live process, glucose is broken down to extract energy. It is redox reaction which can take place with or without oxygen and takes place in the mitochondria of the cell and release energy in the form of ATP. Which life process is being referred to? That is respiration. So B is the right option. Next question. As per the Election Commission of India, bicycle is the recognized election symbol of which of the following political parties listed below. So political party listed कराई and state wise. So C is the right option, first and second. So first Samajwadi Party Uttar Pradesh, then second अछि Manipur People's Party Manipur. So next question अछि identify the first cyclonic storm of 2021 which affected the coastal states like Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, etc. So D is the right option. Tauktae is the right option. Then Article 1 in the Constitution state that India, that is Bharat, shall be a union of states. So D is the right option. Next question, what is the status of the person voluntarily acquiring citizenship of a foreign state under Article 9 of the Constitution of India? That is right option. C is the right option. They lose the citizenship of India. So right option was C. Next question, air pollution is measured with the air quality index AQI. The AQI value of how much is considered satisfactory, and air pollution poses little or no risk. Below 50 was the right option. So A is the right answer. In economics, point of satiety is a point where the marginally utility is 0. So A is the right option. Next question, the concept of physical quality of life index PQLI that measure the quality of life or well-being of a country based on three variables: basic literacy rate, infant mortality, and life expectancy was developed by Morris D. Morris. B is the right option. Next question, which of the following option is an advantage of genetically modified GM crops? So right option is GM crops provide stronger resistance to disease, pest, etc., thereby ensure food security for the increasing population against the background of risk of climate change and water scarcity. Next question as per the order of precedence maintained by the Ministry of Home Affairs of the Republic of India, the second citizens of the country is Vice President. D is the right option. Next question, which of the following option listed below each are incorrect with reference to qualification required for a person to be elected as the President of India? So चार्टा सेंटेंस देछि. सो चार्टा सेंटेंस रे तार इनकरेक्ट कोन हबो? सी ऑप्शन राइट हबो, ओनली सेकंड एंड थर्ड. Next question, as per the Protection of Human Rights Amendment Act 2019, the chairperson of which of the following commissioner is a deemed members of National Human Rights Commission? So right option habo National Commission for Backward Classes. C is the right option. Next question, what is the time taken by a 120-meter long train moving at 72 kilometers per hour to cross a 100-meter long platform? सो केते समय लगे 120 मीटर लॉन्ग ट्रेन जदि 72 किलोमीटर पर आवर रे जदि क्रॉस कर 100 मीटर लॉन्ग प्लेटफॉर्म को ताले 11 सेकेंड्स लगे. डी इज द राइट ऑप्शन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, ए सर्टन सम मनी इज डिवाइडेड अमंग एस, आर एंड जी सच दैट इफ एस गेट्स 40 रुपी देन आर गेट्स 30 रुपी एंड इफ आर गेट्स 20 रुपी देन जी गेट्स 30 रुपी. इफ जी शेयर इज 9,000 then what is the total sum money divided among the three? So 23,000 was the right option. So D is the right option. So the marks scored by a student in 4 subjects are in the ratio of 4:3:7:6. The candidate score an overall aggregate of 60% of the sum of the maximum marks, and the maximum mark in all 4 subjects are the same. In how many subjects did he score more than 60 marks? So A is the right option. 2 havatar answer. Then a figure, and then next question is a figure is given on the left with a pattern. Observe and find out which of the three images on the right looks similar to the left half of this pattern. So this image. So B havatar right option haba 1 havatar answer. So next question, two numbers are in the ratio 5:9. If 7 is added to both, the ratio becomes 3:4. What is the bigger number? So 9 avatar answer. B is the correct option. Next question, what should come in the blank space so that the series form is meaningful? So there is 243987 439872 398724 डैश देछि तापर को सीरीज आसो या पर 398724 पर नेक्स्ट सीरीज कौन आसो बोले पचार देन 872439 सो 398724 पर 987243 हम तार नेक्स्ट series. So C is the right option. Next question, which term of the given series would be the first one to have single digit? 98, 93, 88, 83, 78. Then next kaana haba? So 19th haba tara next single digit series. So B is the right option. Next, in a certain code, PASTTRAC is coded as TSA PCERT. So what would be the code of the quad ABSOCKET? So B option was the right option. So ABSOCKET coded habo OSBATEKC. So B is the right option. Next question, below is given a figure formed by three straight lines each of length 4 cm. If this figure is to be measured through dots such that distance between two consecutive dots is 1 cm, then how many dots will be required to do so? So 13 haba tar answer. So D is the right option. Then next the figure related question. A figure is given on the left with a pattern. Observe and find which of three images on the right looks similar to the right half of each of this pattern. So right option haba 3. C is the right answer. C option is right. Next question, what is the missing term in the given number series? So 10, 15, 13, 18, 16. Then next dash then 19, 24, 22. So fill in the blank jagare 21 haba next series. Next question, in image is given on the left and set of 3 number image on the right. Observe and find which of these 3 images cannot be formed using exactly the same number of straight lines as used to form the image on the left. So right option haba D, that is 3 haba tar answer. Amitabh, next question Amitabh, Boman, Chunki and Shahrukh are 4 friends. Amitabh is younger than Boman but elder than Chunki, who is younger than Shahrukh, who is the youngest among all. So answer of Chunki is the right option. By walking at 8 km per hour, Mr. X missed the bus by 5 minutes, while by cycling at 12 per hour he could have arrived 4 minutes earlier. How much distance Mr. X had to cover? So 3.6 km was the right answer. So C is the right answer. Then in a certain code, if FDA is coded as LLD, then now will JCD be coded as TIP. So D is the right option. Next question, the distance between Kolkata and Ranchi is 600 km. If caveat travels 120 km by train and the rest by car, C reaches Ranchi in 6 hours while C takes 15 minutes more. If C travels 200 km by train and the rest by car, what is the ratio of the speed of the train to the speed of the car? So 3:4 was the right answer. C is the right option. In a certain code language, XRO is written as HFE, then how will ULI be written in that code language? So coding decoding question. So here a right option haba ULI code haba GDC. So D is the right option. Next question, in a certain code, if pencil is coded as EIPNCL, then how will TASOP be coded? So TASOP next coded haba AOTSP. So D is the right option. Next question, read the information and answer the question below. So it is the same paragraph. Tara question for question read the information and answer the question given below. So 4 exams to be conducted on 4 days from Sunday till Wednesday. The 4 exams to be conducted are mathematics, biology, physics and chemistry. Mathematics exam is conducted before biology exam, which is not conducted on Wednesday. In between physics In between physics and mathematics, there are 2 exams to be conducted. Chemistry exam is not conducted on Tuesday. Which exam conducted on Tuesday? So, biology है होता right option. C is the right option. The paragraph देछि paragraph को पढ़ी की बुझिबार अछि देन आपनको आंसर करबार अछि. So biology है होता Tuesday दिन biology exam होबो. So C is the right option. Then last question of composite paper 1. So last question है by using the letters A, B and C, all possible 3-letter combinations are written. If all these are arranged as per the alphabetical order, then what is the rank of the combination CAB? So right option होबो A, that is 5th होबो. So friends, आप लोगों को जदि composite paper informative लगी तो फ्रेंड्स नेक्स्ट जदि फ्यूचर किसी जदि एग्जाम ओएसएससी कंडक्ट करे आपण मानको किछि आइडिया हे जिवो सेही पय मो ए कंपोजिट पेपर मध्य आपण मानको वीडियो माध्यम रे वीडियो बनै कि आपण मानको अपडेट करली. सो आपण मानको किछि आइडिया हे जिवो स्टाफ नर्स रिलेटेड एग्जाम हो कि फार्मासिस्ट हो कि एएनएम हो कि जो मानकर भी एसीजी टेक्नीशियन हो कि एक्सरे टेक्नीशियन हो से जब एग्जाम हम कंपोजिट पेपर कौ टाइप क्वेश्चन आपको आइडिया होई कंपोजिट पेपर रो क्वेश्चन आंसर की बनवार मोर उद्देश्य. सो फ्रेंड्स, जदि वीडियो भल लगी इनफॉर्मेटिव लगी ताले निहाती भाव में लाइक करेंगे और शेयर करेंगे और चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर दिंतु. प्लीज सब्सक्राइब द चैनल एंड मो रिक्वेस्ट करी आपको सब्सक्राइब करने चैनल को एवं बहु मात्रा शेयर करूँ समस्त पाखे जमी पहुँची पार और समस्त को रिक्वेस्ट चैनल सब्सक्राइब करूँ और बेल आइकन को हिट करूँ. एमती नर्सिंग रिलेटेड अपडेट कि पैरामेडिक्स रिलेटेड अपडेट आम चैनल अपलोड हो आप पाखे पहुँची. सो थैंक यू सो मच. जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय ओडिशा.